In this video, we will discuss the different techniques used to cut, copy, and paste, and I will also demonstrate these methods. When you cut text, you are able to move it from one location to another, so it's essentially a move. When you copy text, you are duplicating the text so that you can have it in more than one location. And the paste feature allows you to finish the process of cutting or copying. Basically, it allows you to paste the text where you want it to be. So here I've listed the few methods that I want to talk about. When you're working within the Microsoft programs, you'll notice that there's usually more than one way to complete a task. This is also true with the cut and copy feature. To demonstrate, I'm going to show you how you would cut a section of text and paste it somewhere else. So the first method that I'm going to use is I'm going to select the area that I would like to move. I'm going to choose the Cut button on the ribbon. Notice I'm on the Home tab. In this Clipboard group, I click Cut, and the text has been removed from my document. It's being stored in the clipboard until I paste it. I'm going to go right here next to the word paste. You could see that my cursor is blinking there, and I'm going to use the paste button to paste it in. Now you'll notice I've moved the cut section underneath the copy section. The other technique is to select the text, right-click your mouse on top of the selected text, select Cut, go where you want the text to appear, right-click, paste. And you'll notice now I've moved it back up here. You also have the ability to drag and drop. Maybe I want drag and drop to be at the top of this list. I can click and drag it on up there and drop it. When you drag and drop, you'll notice that there's a line that follows your mouse. So wherever you drop it, wherever you stop the line is where the text is usually going to appear. In this case, since it's a list, it's going to appear right above this one. So I'm going to go ahead and drop right here. And you'll notice the drag and drop appears above where I had that line. If it was more of a paragraph situation, let's say it was this one, I could just drop it right where I want it. Control X is your keyboard command for cut. You would press the Control plus the X on your keyboard. That would cut the text to the clipboard and then allow you to paste it. So those are a few different methods you can use to move text from one place to another. Now let's talk about duplicating the text. That's the copy feature. So you'll notice I've selected this section. I'm going to point up here on the ribbon and select the Copy button. I'm going to click my mouse to the left of the word Cut, and I'm going to select the Paste button. And now you could see Copy is here, but it is also down here. And that's how you duplicate the text. Similarly to the Cut section, you can also right-click Copy, and you can right-click Paste. In the Cut section, I introduced how to drag and drop. You can also copy and drop. This one is a little bit more complicated. You have to press and hold the Control key down, point at your text, and when you click, you'll see how my mouse has a little plus next to it? And so basically that's indicating that when I let off, it's going to make a copy and drop it wherever I let off. So I'm going to let off the mouse and then off the Control key, and you see it made a copy and drop. And the keyboard command to copy is the Control C. So you would select your text and then you would press and hold the Control key plus the C key, and that would copy it to the clipboard, and then you can paste it to the location that you want. Several versions ago, you were only able to copy one selection of text, but over the years that has changed to allow for 24 items to be copied to the clipboard. And when I say items, that could be several different lines, it could be several different pages, several different selections. When you click copy, it will copy whatever you have selected to the clipboard, and it can accept up to 24 items. What you need to be aware of is that unless you have the clipboard open, Microsoft Word will only store the very last item that you copied or that you've cut. So in order to be able to utilize the power of having 24 different items on the clipboard, you have to open it first. To open the clipboard, you'll click the launcher right here in the clipboard group. Once you open the clipboard, all of the items that you've cut or copied would be listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a few more things. I'm going to copy that. I'll go ahead and copy this. I'm going to copy my information about the clipboard. So as you can see, it's starting to store the items that I've copied to the clipboard. At this point, I could go to any of the Microsoft Office programs, open up the clipboard, and I could begin to paste in the items that I want into my new document, spreadsheet, presentation. For example, I'm going to go ahead and open up Excel. You would open the clipboard, and then I would be able to paste in the contents in whatever order that I would like. Now I'm going to open PowerPoint. I'm going to open the clipboard, and then I'm going to paste. And as you can see, it's pasted in the text here. When you're done, you can clear all of the text off of the clipboard. Now let's talk about your paste options. You have a few different options available to you when it comes to pasting your text. For example, I have the word copy here and I have the word copy here. This version is formatted to have the orange, bold, and underline. When I paste it somewhere else, I could paste it in to keep that formatting, or I could paste it in to accept the formatting that is already there. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to select the word copy. I'm going to choose copy. And instead of clicking the top portion of the paste button, I want to bring your attention to the bottom portion of the paste button where the arrow is. And do you see how I have these options here? Keep source formatting, merge formatting, picture, or keep text only. So I'm going to click right after Format Painter, and then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to choose keep text only. And you'll see that it pastes in just the word, but none of the formatting that goes with it. I'm going to go back to the paste button, and this time I'm going to choose keep source formatting, which does the color, the bold, underline. This one right here, if I were to paste this in, it pastes this as a picture. And see, you could see this is actually an image now, and it would be manipulated like an image. So if I went to Picture Tools, I would be able to move it around just like I could any other picture and stuff like that. So it's definitely different than text. I'm going to go back up in there, and I just want to point out that there's a paste special which gives you additional advanced paste options. Now I'm going to go back up in there and choose Set Default Paste, and this is where you would come if you want to change the defaults in how text will paste into your document. Right here, keep source formatting, or merge, or keep text only. I'm going to keep mine on keep source formatting. So that's my short video on cut, copy, and paste. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please click the like button. And if you want to receive notifications about more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.